Question 26. Regina bought 4 books and 3 pens for 315 shillings. Hermione bought 8 books and 2 pens for 530 shillings. Determine the cost of 1 book and 1 pen. Let B be the cost of a book and P the cost of a pen. Equation 1 is 4B plus 3P equals 315. Equation 2 is 8B plus 2P equals 530. Divide equation 2 by 2 to make the B terms match equation 1. That gives 4B plus P equals 265. Now subtract equation 3 from equation 1. The 4B terms cancel, leaving 2P equals 50. So a pen costs 25 shillings. Put P equals 25 back into equation 3. 4B plus 25 is 265. So 4B is 240 and B is 60. A book costs 60 shillings.